camera. It's good to have a camera. Lens, maybe. It's not like it's optional, you need a lens. This one is my favorite for portraits. It's super, well, it's good to go. Hi guys, I'm Leon and I'm back again with another tutorial about how you make your picture pop in 5 minutes. So this tutorial is for you that been out there taking pictures, maybe of yourself, a selfie, like, or of your friend, a cool bike picture, and when you look at it in the computer say, oh, well, this doesn't pop. So I'm gonna make it pop in 5 minutes only. Just follow me in Lightroom and it's very easy. This is for you guys, it's a beginner, so it's very easy. So just follow me into the Lightroom and I will show you how to color correct your portrait photo in 5 minutes. Yes, 5 minutes. Okay, let's jump in. What the hell is... They're dancing, look. Huh. All right, anyways, let's jump into Lightroom. So guys, here we are, back in Lightroom. Did you see those dancing guys? Like Cossack dudes. I don't know, that was kind of random. Anyways, now we're here in Lightroom and we're gonna do this really fast. We only got 5 minutes as I promised you, so you better hold tight when I take you through this fight. Alright, here we got a biker from Slovenia, I think. And this picture is pretty cool, but you see it's very low key and we're gonna boost this up a bit. This could be you, this could be your friend, but you know, the thing is that it doesn't look so great right now. One thing you can keep in mind when you're taking portrait photos of yourself or your friend, even if you're using an iPhone, is try to have focus on the eyes. The eyes makes everything in a portrait photo. It's really important. So yeah, with that said, let's click on auto so we get a point of where we are. Wow, there it comes. It looks pretty good right now, but for me it's a little bit overexposed. I like to take it down a bit. A little bit more maybe, and also take down the blacks. It's a lot about the blacks and the highlights in this picture, and contrast as well, so we're gonna boost that. You see now, you see clearly his hair and the contrast and everything is really nice. You can push down the clarity a little bit because it makes the picture kind of hard, and take up the dehaze a little bit. Now we decreased also the contrast, but it doesn't matter. This one will look good. From here it's yeah, it's really nice to see everything. Every detail is really cool. But the eyes again. Let's put a radial gradient mask on them and make them pop a little bit more. We can sharpen them a little bit because that's what we do. Made two different masks because I don't want the same copy of the other because they are different side of the head and the light comes from here, so it's a little bit lighter here. So yeah, take this up a little bit, not too much, just that. And I'm gonna dehaze them a little bit as well, so you can see the colors a little bit in them. And yeah, like that. Also sharpening them, so it's like you're diving into them. And we take another one, try to make them even if the light comes a little bit. It can be a little bit lighter. Take up the sharpness a little bit so it looks good, and also dehaze it. There you go. A little bit dark like that. Alright, that's it. I can also make this a little bit warmer overall. Like that. Now I know some people scream like, oh, are you touching the white balance? Yes, I do, because I like to have it a little bit more warm. Also take up the saturation a little bit as well. And we do the S-curve here. You see now, things starts to happen. We could also use only the curve for this one, but I was just thinking we take the easy part because this is for kind of beginners anyways. Like that. And you can see here he have lots of reds here. I don't think that it is so nice, so I desaturate that red tone, and also think it's violet in there and purple too, and magenta as well, so we bring it down. Yeah, the magenta is lots of magenta. The monitor I'm working with is BenQ, and this one is the I don't know what it's called, SP. It's a creative monitor with 100% sRGB proof. That's why I can see all this color things that's going on here very clearly. I'm gonna take this up a little bit lighter, up, not too much, and a little bit down with this one, and down with the yellows. You see, I can take it down kind of a lot actually. Like, there you go. And I think it's cool when you have the grass here, like it's disturbing the picture. I mean, the picture is perfect, but when you have things that disturbs in it, I think it's nice. It's a really cool feature. And a perfect picture is a boring picture, so even the unperfect becomes really perfect when you feel lucky. Now I pushed up the skin tones a little bit so it pops. There you go. Let's see how it was with the shadows. The shadows. I will boost them a little bit like that. Alright, pretty much it. I think we are done. We're gonna do the midtones, I think, a little bit. Yeah. Now you can see the structure, the skin structure here. And it's nice when you're doing this on male, but women usually are not so amazed about it. But I like it when you have a male model, when you see the skin structure. If you hold down the Alt key and drag this masking, and you will see where the sharpening gonna affect most. And I only like the face to be affected, not infected. I know it's COVID time, but affected. And we sharp it, and you can see now it's very clear around his eyes and everything. So yep guys. Oh, I forgot one thing that is important. Lens correction. I should start with that, but sorry. There you go. Here it is. This is the final picture actually. Pretty cool. This is the before and this is the after. And this is really easy to do for you too. It doesn't matter what you take the picture with. Only keep an eye on the eyes. As long as you have the eyes in focus, everything will be good. So good luck with that. You can subscribe on my channel, and you can also hook me up on Instagram. I am Leon Official. You can DM me there and I always answer. That's what I do. Alright, bye card, high, low and all that jazz. I'm Leon and I'm out. Have a great day. Ciao.